In the following part, we would like to demonstrate how to reprocess components of the Fabius GS Premium which frequently need to be cleaned. Please note that any reprocessing intervals depend on the patients and on the use and position of filters. A table containing information on the frequency of cleaning depending on different filter setups can be found in the instructions for use of Fabius GS Premium. We start by cleaning and disinfecting the surfaces of Fabius GS Premium which are frequently interacted with. First, remove all visible residue from the surfaces of the device. This is followed by disinfection. As there is a wide range of germicides available, we've conducted over 20,000 tests to ensure compatibility of the materials used in our products. The instructions for use of Fabius GS Premium includes a list of validated agents. To disinfect the surfaces of Fabius GS Premium, use a cloth or disinfection wipes according to hospital standards and the manufacturer's instructions. When wiping, make sure that no liquids penetrate into the anesthesia machine, as the agent might impair correct functionality. All components of the Fabius GS Premium that are in direct contact with patient gases can be reprocessed using a cleaning and disinfection machine or manual disinfection. We will now guide you through the disassembly procedure, which can be performed without any tools. The breathing system is called COSY, short for Compact Breathing System. First, disconnect all cables and hoses from the COSY and remove the CO2 absorber. Remove the breathing bag holder by loosening the two thumb screws. Take the COSY off the Fabius GS Premium. To dismantle the inspiratory and expiratory valves, you have to unscrew the retaining nuts and remove the transparent inspection caps. Then remove the blue sealing gasket. Finally, take out the ceramic valve discs. These are fragile, so pay extra attention during this step. Next is the APL valve, short for Adjustable Pressure Limitation Valve, which can be easily unscrewed. Remove the sample line hook from the APL valve connector and from the waste gas outlet port. Now turn the COSY around and remove the optional CO2 absorber adapter and the anesthetic gas scavenging waste gas port. Complete the disassembly of the COSY by unscrewing the expiratory port and extract the flow sensor guard and the flow sensor itself. Further parts of the piston ventilator carry patient gas, which means that they need to be reprocessed as well. There is the ventilator hose, connecting the COSY and the piston ventilator, which simply needs to be taken off the connectors. Then there are the piston ventilator cover and membrane. Open the piston ventilator door, disconnect the pressure sensor line, and unlock all three clasps to extract these from the piston ventilator. All parts of the piston ventilator and COSY, except the flow sensor, can be thermally disinfected in the cleaning and disinfection machine and can be sterilized. To maximize the effect of the cleaning agent, position parts so that all interior spaces are completely flushed and water can drain off freely. When reprocessing the O2 absorber adapter, insert the cleaning disc into the adapter and close it until it snaps into place. Do not forget to remove the cleaning disc after reprocessing. The ventilator hose can be connected to the inspiratory port to flush the COSY thoroughly. Start the washer disinfector using a suitable program, preferably an anesthesia program. After completion of the cleaning and disinfection program, remove the parts from the washer disinfector and inspect them for visible soiling and damage. If necessary, repeat the program or clean manually. Finally, shake out any retaining water and allow the parts to dry thoroughly. Next is the flow sensor of Fabius GS Premium. There are two types of flow sensors, the Spiro-Log flow sensor and the Spiro-Life flow sensor. Both flow sensors can be manually cleaned and disinfected by immersion. To clean the flow sensor, immerse it completely and bubble-free in the solution for at least 15 minutes. At the beginning and at the end of the contact time, vigorously swirl the flow sensor at least 3 times. After completing the cleaning procedure, wash off all cleaning agent residues. Repeatedly swirl the flow sensor in the disinfection solution. The contact time should be at least 15 minutes. Ensure that the solution flushes all surfaces and interior spaces. Sufficiently rinse the flow sensor in a sink filled with water until no disinfectant residue can be recognized, and inspect the flow sensor for visible soiling and damage. Finally, allow the flow sensor to dry completely. The Spiro Life Flow sensor can additionally be steam sterilized at 134 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After the parts have cooled down, reassemble the cozy in reverse order. The gaskets, ceramic discs, and retaining nuts of both the inspiratory and the expiratory valves are identical, which means that it doesn't matter on which position you put a ceramic disc. After the cozy is completely assembled, mount it to the Fabius GS Premium and connect all cables and hoses. When reassembling the piston ventilator membrane, make sure that the Dräger logo on the ventilator membrane is visible from the top. Do not forget to reconnect the pressure sensor line and lock the piston ventilator cover in place. After the Fabius GS Premium is completely reassembled, perform the daily and pre-use checkout procedures to ensure that the anesthesia machine is ready for operation.